Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to add sleeves to your sleeveless shirt. So take your sleeveless shirt, this is how a sleeveless shirt looks like from inside. So take your already made sleeves, and in case you want to know how I made these sleeves, so I have uploaded a video on that so you can check that out. So arrange back of the sleeve with the back of the shirt, and the bottom should match the bottom seam and the top should match the top. Then insert your sleeve inside the armhole with this order. So make sure the top of the sleeve come on the top of the shoulder seam, and then hand stitch it like this. And make sure you catch enough of the sleeve and the shirt together. So keep checking and hand stitch all around your sleeve, like I did here to the other sleeve. So either pin it or hand stitch it all around the sleeve. And once you are done with that, then run stitch on it. And make sure the seam comes on top of the already seam there. So once you are done stitching all around your sleeve, so this is how it looks. Now turn it inside, and to secure it more, you just run, if you have a serger you can do with that, or if you want to run a zigzag stitch or hand stitch it. So I am hand stitching it to overlock it, and I'm showing you how to do that. So make sure you just catch the sleeve part. So this is the last step. Once you are done stitching all around the sleeve and overlock it, you are done adding your sleeve. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.